Hello, dear student. Today I am going to teach you heroic couplet. What is heroic couplet? In the last video, I have told you about the metrical pattern, what is syllable, what is meter, how a line can be marked, how many different types of meter are on the basis of this metrical pattern. A standard pattern is decided. Today, I am going to teach you about the heroic couplet, which was a popular stanza form during the New Classical age. So, what is heroic couplet? Heroic couplet is a pair of two iambic pentameter lines rhyming together. In the last video, I told you what is iambic pentameter. Iambic pentameter. Pentameter means a line having 5 feet or 10 syllable. What is iambic? The pattern of syllables is first is unstressed, second is stressed, third is unstressed, fourth is stressed, fifth is unstressed, sixth is stressed, seventh is unstressed, eighth is stressed, ninth is unstressed, and tenth is once again is stressed. So the pattern goes on from low to high, weak to strong. So when pentameter lines in iambic meter are written and in the last position they rhymes, it forms the heroic couplet stanza form. So what is this heroic couplet? Heroic couplet is a pair of two iambic pentameter lines rhyming together in the last. There are 5 feet or 10 syllables in each line. A comma at the end of first line indicates a pause or a caesura. After the first line 5 feet, there is a comma which indicates a pause of thought. In the next line, the idea goes on and completed up to the end of the last syllable. Here comes a full stop. So a comma at the end of first line indicates a pause. It is known as caesura also. While the full stop at the end of second line signifies the completion of sense. In the last position, when it is a full stop after the second line, if there is full stop, it means the sense of the heroic couplet has been completed. But when the sense is not completed in a single couplet, it goes on to the following stanza, then it is known as run-on couplet or riding couplet. What is known? Run-on couplet or riding couplet. In English poetry, this stanza form was used for heroic poetry, therefore it is known after Geoffrey Chaucer, who is called the father of English literature, father of English language. He invented it and used this form in his Canterbury Tales. After him, Thomas White and Earl of Surrey, who was predecessor of William Shakespeare, for some of his metrical composition, for some of his verses. After Edmund Spenser, Sir Philip Sidney used this stanza form for their poetical compositions. Christopher Marlowe, who is considered as the first great dramatist of English literature and predecessor of Shakespeare. He also wrote his Hero and Leander in heroic couplet, while William Shakespeare used heroic couplet as the concluding lines of his sonnets. All of you have a knowledge about Shakespeare's sonnet. Uh, there are 14 lines, there are 3 quatrain, and in the last position is a heroic couplet. So Shakespeare used in the ending position heroic couplet in his sonnets. After Shakespeare, John Triton imparted it grace by using it for satirical and philosophical poems. But by complete the form was perfected by Alexander Pope, who was the greatest poet of new classical age. Most of his works were written in this stanza form, and Rape of the Lock, Essay on Man, Essay on Criticism are some examples of his work that were written in heroic couplet. How can we mark the heroic couplet? Now here are given some examples. For example, in the last video we have discussed how to mark meter. So here is the example. A needle. Learning is a dangerous thing. Drink deep or taste not the Pierian spring. Likewise, know then thyself, presume God not this can the proper study of mankind is man. This is the pattern, this is the rhythm. Here you can, there a question may arise in your mind. Here sometimes it breaks the pentameter pattern, iambic pattern. It may happen sometime, there may break the iambic pattern, but most of the time iambic pattern is followed. So what is heroic couplet? Heroic couplet is a stanza of 2 lines written in iambic pentameter and rhyming together. Okay, thank